Good morning, traders. We had another beautiful trade long on Euro USD this morning, and we banked profit and still banking it. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. If you look at the 4 hour chart, that was a pretty straightforward, as explained to my trader. Price nicely respecting the previous low. But if you look at here, we have previous low and plus the trend support line. As explained to my trader, look for this breakout. If the price cannot break, then we are expecting a long trade here. And that was a pretty straightforward, and I did this analysis just before London Open, as you can see here. And based on this analysis, if you look at the market right now, price nicely broken. But the most important thing which we explained to our trader, there's a possibility of reversal at this level. The reason, if you look at here, this is the inverted head and shoulder pattern is developed. That's the high probability price was at the major support in 4 hour price action in our intraday, and beautiful long trade breakout. The first target was this level, which is the previous this level, which is price nicely hit. The final target around this blue fib channel. Let's see how the market is going to go. And my traders are really enjoying this profit, guys. And but if you want to see all that analysis in real time, you know what to do. Join our fast going trader community. Have a safe trading, and wish you all the best.